salt and pepper crabs, diesel version. Alright, I have these crabs already boiled for about 5 minutes and iced it in cold water. Season it with cornstarch. Got these seasoning in here. It's salt, black pepper, white pepper, ground cumin, paprika, Old Bay seasoning, and then palm sugar, Thai chili pepper, garlic, minced lemongrass, and ginger. Got these carefully basil leaf, lime, and green onions, and the world famous desert walk. To do now is ferment these over here ingredients. Throw it in here. Let the oil, let the flavor come up to the oil. Give it about 30 seconds. Smells so good. So good. Alright, now you're gonna toss in your crabs. Yeah. Fry this dish. And throw in the seasoning. Right over here. Throw all this seasoning in here. Wow. I'll tell you how much you need, alright, later on. Blend this real quick for about, let's say, I'm guessing 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, after that, I'm gonna throw in the vegetables and the herbs, the other herbs, and the sugar. It's been 3 minutes. I'm gonna throw in the carefully. I'm gonna rip it right here. Lemon. I already added the sugar. Here's the lemon. I mean lime. There's some of these basil. I don't know what kind of vegetable are these, but it goes in my front yard. A little bit of mint. Throw in your green onions. Bam! Fire the wok. Start cooking. Flame it, turn it for about 30 seconds to a minute. Done. I'll show you. Oh, gotta throw that in too. Just for looks, alright? Just for looks. Just for looks. Look at that. Cook it with one hand. Player, you can do that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Turn on the flash for y'all. Bomb biggity. Alright, and that's it. We're done. It's served. Gonna make this a love.